So hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are fine. So today I'm here to share my experience which I have recently had with Byju's. I have applied for the post of BDA. There are many posts in Byju's and I have applied for the post of Business Development Associate. First of all, I think you all are familiar with the Byju's app, right? So it is basically an educational learning app which helps students to learn and memorize things in a very fun way, and also it helps in conceptual learning. So let's talk about the interview process. I have applied by logging in into their official website, that is www.byju's.com, and by clicking into their career section you will find the apply now option, by which you apply and give them their resume, and then they will give you a call, and they will ask you about your graduation, about your family, about yourself, and so you need to reply. After that they will fix a Zoom interview session through Zoom app, and the interview will be taken by the HR manager herself, and then they will ask you to choose a time slot, and they will have an interview session through Zoom app, and then according to the time given you need to attend the interview process. So talking about the interview, the HR manager, my HR manager and she was very friendly with me, and I was feeling like I was having just a tea time conversation with her. First of all, there was some kind of background noise which she was about, and I was like, okay, ma'am, it's okay, I'm fine with that. Then the interview process started. She asked me to tell something about myself. She wanted to know about me, and then she was like, why? See, most of us are from various other backgrounds, like having other bachelor degrees not related to sales or something else, or not related to management. So they will ask this question, that why sales? I am a electrical engineer, so she asked me why sales after BTech. So you need to answer that question accordingly, that why you chose sales. Now you cannot tell that there are less, you can also tell that there are very less opportunities due to the COVID happening. So you had always an interest in sales since your college days, and since this company profile, the sales job really boosts your communication skills and improves your personal. Also, if you like to travel a lot, then I think this is the only job for you, because this job only contains the field work. Also, there are another part which is called as inside sales, where you can improve your communication skills. There will be only telephonic calls and not sort of there is no sort of field work. So then the interview process went on and on. Then she asked me that to choose between sales or Byju's, or which is my priority, sales or Byju's. So I had to choose only one. So I told ma'am that I will choose sales, because I cannot give importance to the company, right? Because I am applying for the post of sales. And then I told her that I am interested in sales. I'm also interested in the company, but if I'm interested in sales more, then the company will grow, and also my career will grow. So I would like to choose. And then she looked quite happy, and then she told me that I'm quite impressed, Shilpa, and I would like to ask you that I have many other vacancies other than the sales board. Like we have technical vacancies, we have other HR vacancies. So would you like to apply for other vacancy if I offer you that, because you are more eligible than the sales position? Then I must tell you that this is a trap. Don't fall at it, because they want to see whether actually you are convinced only towards sales, or you are also interested in other fields. So you must tell manager, or that is the HR manager, that ma'am, I only aspire to become a sales associate other than other profiles. I have applied for only this profile, and I would like to choose this profile only because there is a rapid growth in career other than other fields. there. If your targets are complete within the given sort of time, your career will rapidly, and it is the most known job for career growth. So ma'am, that's why I want to only aspire for sales and not any other profile, so you must reply in this way. Then she told me, okay, she is convinced, and then she asked me some scenario based questions. Now, see, they will try to make you damn nervous, but be confident and reply to their answers accordingly. And try to, if you cannot make some points, then try to take request your manager a 2 minutes. So the first scenario based question they tried to ask me was that uh, there is a child who is in 5th class right now, and her parents are teachers, and she has scored 95%, and she is a very brilliant student. She does not have any tutor at home, and she is studying only through her school academics. And then she asked me to sell Byju's to her parents. So then I have answered to their question in this manner. I told them that, good morning ma'am, I am calling from Byju's. It is the India's #1 learning app. As you told that you and your husband is a teacher, and your child has scored 95% in her academics. So I want to inform you that this is a very good thing, but don't you think that she should also focus on conceptual learning? Because through academics, the students become very shy to ask questions to their tutors or the teachers. And then in our app we provide a doubt clearing session. Also, our app provides 3D visualizations, and in the recent researches, as you know, that by hearing or by seeing or by looking at things, how much our brain can grab, that is just the 50% more from grab from just reading a paragraph or text. So I think you must help your child to gain more through conceptual learning through our app Byju's, and I would prefer you to take a free demo session of our courses, which is totally free, and have a great insight of the features of this app. So should I fix a demo session? And then the interviewer got convinced, and she told me that, okay, I'm quite impressed, and I want to take your app, and please fix a free demo session for me. I would like to look at your app and know about the features. And then it was a boom, and I came to know that I got a green signal. She told me that this interview of my this was the second round, and she told me that this interview is cleared, and she will send me a mail soon. And she is about to send me today, but I guess she's busy, but I'll get the mail soon, I hope so. And then she also informed me that there will be a final round which will be held by her senior sales manager. So she asked me to prepare for it, and she told me all the best and a goodbye. And then, so this is how the interview process went on. So thank you. It was very great fun to talk to you all about the interview process. I hope it will help you somewhere someday, and I will be back after the final interview round, and definitely I will share the final interview round of mine with you all. Till then, bye.